Hello, I'm hoping somebody could tell me why my BMW E39 2000 idles roughly. I could put lights up, I gotta get them fixed. You hear it? You might not be able to hear it too much. Close the door. The car's shaking pretty bad. I don't know why, but it stops when you rev the gas. And sometimes this car likes to shut off while you leave it on in the morning to run. Take it under the hood. The engine's not to shrink like that. This is a lot. I don't know why. I noticed that the coil packs or the ignition coil, and it only does that in the morning. I think my Vano code is going bad. And also, you know how to turn off these low beams that won't go off at all? Just write me or make a comment. Thank you.